Hello friends, Jai Shri Ram. Many a times we come across Word documents or PPTs or Excel sheets which are written in non-English languages. Like here, this one is written in Hindi and I'm not able to see it on my system. The reason is Hindi font is not downloaded on my system. So how do we fix issues like this? First of all, whosoever must have given you this document, they will be telling you that this document opens nicely on their PC. And when they give you exactly the same document, and when you put it on your system and you try to open it, then you see this kind of a garbled text. The text is not garbled. The thing is, Windows is not able to understand that font. So we need to install that font on our PC. So click on this line and you will notice that in the home tab you will see that this is the font being used, that is Kruti Dev 020. Now just to prove my point that this font is not installed on my PC, I'll go to Windows fonts. When you go over here, you click on anything and you start typing like KRUTI. Okay, there is nothing like KRU. There is only KRI, Kristen, and after that it is Kunster or something. So KRU is not there. That means Kruti Dev 020 is not there. Then what do? I have to download it from internet. So you go online and you search for this font. So it is Kruti Dev 020 font download for free. You search this, you will get a variety of websites. Whichever website you feel appropriate, you download it from there. But notice that Kruti Dev 020 is a special font, only this thing, right? It should not be appended with another word like over here you see wide. You don't want wide, you want exactly that. You want a regular font, Kruti Dev 020. So the first link is not right. Even if you download it and if you install it, then also this text will still show as garbled. So this is not right. So pick the exact words. For picking the exact words, you can close it in double quotes. So I want exactly this. Now this wide came after that, so even in the search results it is still showing, but you understand that this is not right. Then is this right? Yeah, this one is right. Or is this right? This one is the best because it shows all the Kruti Dev related fonts. So this one will be the best. This one I think I downloaded from here, but it did not work for me. This is for the bold one, so don't download that also. This is again for wide, don't download. So there is only one link which is correct, which is this. And this is really frustrating about fonts. To choose fonts, you have to go through a lot of websites and you don't get the right font at all. An easier way is to ask whosoever made this document, ask them to go to their fonts folder, which is Windows fonts, and whichever font it is, just ask them to copy it and give it to you. Okay, that will be the easiest. But if for some reason you're not able to do it, then the only way you can solve this issue is to go to the internet and download it. So let me show you how to download it. I'm opening this in a new tab. Now here let me search for it. It is Kruti Dev 020. So where is 020? 020. Okay, this one. I'll download it. I'll download it on the desktop. It got downloaded as a TTF file. TTF stands for True Type Font File. Okay, TTF means True Type Font. It is a provider of font. True Type is a very old provider of font. Most of the font files are usually .ttf. Others are .otf also, but TTF is the most commonly used. So you just double click this, you hit install button, it will go on for a while, and after that you close it. Now if you go to your fonts folder, you will be able to see Kruti Dev 020, but it has downloaded the bolder version of it. I hope it works. Let me check. Let me check the same file again. Yeah, thankfully it worked. Thank God. So I think this is the font that the person must have used, or probably that bold, Krutir Dev 020 bold also. I mean, it is the closest match of this font, and so Windows could use that font file to decipher what is written over here. Okay, but this is just half of the puzzle. What is this? So when I click on this, I see Ma Urmila dash 23. So when I go here, I search on the internet, maybe I don't find it. It's really difficult to find font. See, you get Urmila regular, this is a different font. I don't think any of these match our description exactly, except this one, Ma Urmila. And I think even this one, I tried downloading it, but yeah, this website is a little garbled. You're not able to search the download button only, because all these are ads. So I don't know how to download it. So the website is a bad website, and all the other options that are given to me are not so good. So in this case, I'm stuck and I have to ask the maker of this document to kindly copy that font file from their C colon Windows slash fonts folder and give it to me. Okay, so this is how you solve your font problem. Until next time, Jai Shri Ram. Thank you so much for seeing the video till the end. It does mean a lot to me. Could you also please see the video description? It has index, link to the study material, and also if I've shown any products in this video, then the purchase links to those products. The comment section is open for your suggestions and also for your doubts. I always answer to the first 100 comments on every single video. If you want to support my work, here's my QR code, or my UPI ID is amit.shirasao@UPI. Until next time, this is Amit signing off. Jai Shri Ram.